Hi, I'm Brad Wille with Dixon Sports Computing, and we are at NAB this year in support of Veterans TV. Veterans TV is an organization that provides free training for all veterans or family and close relatives in all aspects of video production, whether it be cameras, switchers, routers, editing systems. In our company, we provide software that allows them to log and tag media assets and feed MAM systems. But other companies like Canon provide cameras, Grass Valley provides switchers, software like Avid will provide editing software. So the goal is to train veterans in all aspects of video production, and then we help them go out and find jobs in the industry and that they can, better their lives and create income for their families. And we have Joshua here today, who is a veteran, and he would like to speak on what he got out of the class that we just completed in Burbank in February. Joshua?
Hello, my name is Joshua Poole. I'm a combat veteran of enduring and Iraqi freedom, honorably discharged. I was directed to Veterans TV through a social worker that opened my eyes to the world of film. I wanted to be an actor, but after seeing all the options available in the career field of journalism, it's great. Didn't have to pay a single penny for the training, all provided 100% free to the veteran. Just had a great time. Enjoyed the captivating stories from the instructor from the times of old. Today at NAB, I have been attending presentations and walking around, shadowing one of VETTV's partners, learning networking, social networking within the industry. It was very beneficial. I attended the training program, February's first run of the program in Burbank, California. I learned how to operate sound, lighting, camera, all donated by different vendors. Also had some guest speakers come in that really elaborated on their craft and very motivating. In Burbank, it really shifted my gears. Like I said, I wanted to be in front of the camera, and after the class, I decided I'd rather be behind the camera. It seems like it's a lot more fun. You get to play with more knobs and buttons. It's a lot of fun. I would 100% recommend Veterans TV to other veterans, if not just for the experience, the contacts made will last a lifetime.
So big shout out to Joshua. He's a great student and appreciate his enthusiasm. And he's coming out here. He's made 3 or 4 contacts for job opportunities. So we need more veterans. Actually, we need to get the word out. The classes are available for free. There's actually no dime. We actually had a homeless person last class, and we provided housing for the 2-week class. Period. So the classes are nationwide. You just need to go to veteranstv.org, submit an application, and we'll place you where you need to be placed for a class. So thank you for giving us this opportunity.
There are several classes available more than the 2-week class that I've attended. There's 6-week classes that elaborate more on materials.
So thank you.
Thank you. This is Joshua
and Brad Wille. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good job. Thank you.